Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing good and taking good care of yours. So students, today we are going to start a new lesson. So students, do you know what enables you to hold things, move, sit, run and play? Yes, your bones, muscles and joints together help you to hold things, run, play, move. But students, what it would be like if there are no bones inside your body? Your body looks like a jelly. So all the bones inside your body form a framework, and this framework is called our skeleton. So students, today we are going to learn about human skeleton. So students, do you know adult has 206 bones and the child has approximately 300 bones. I know students, you are thinking that why adult has 206 bones and child has 300 bones. There is a reason, and the reason is that when the child grows up, some of the bones fuse or join together. So students, now we are going to create human skeleton. As you can see, there are different bones. Now we are going to join them. I am going to join skull, and now I am going to join spine, so this is a complete skeleton. Now one by one I am going to explain you different bones. This is our skull, and our skull is made up of 22 bones, and our skull protects our brain. This is collarbone or clavicle. These are our ribs, and there are 12 pairs of ribs which form a rib cage. And this is our shoulder bone, scapula. This is our backbone, our spine. This is our upper arm bone, humerus. And our upper arm bone is connected with our lower arm bones by a joint called elbow joint. And in our lower arm there are two bones, radius and ulna. And these are hand bones, phalanges. This is our pelvic bone, our pelvis. This is our upper leg bone, our thigh bone called femur. And our thigh bone is connected with our lower leg bones by a joint called knee joint. In our lower leg there are two bones, tibia and fibula. These are foot bones called phalanges. Students, we will take a quick review of the human skeleton. This is skull, upper arm bone, humerus, elbow joint, lower arm bones, ulna and radius. This is our collarbone, clavicle. This is shoulder bone, scapula. These are ribs which form a rib cage. This is our backbone or spine, which is also known as vertebra. This is our large bone, pelvis. These are our hand bones, phalanges. This is our thigh bone, femur. And our thigh bone is connected with our lower leg bones by a joint called knee joint. And there are two bones in our lower leg, fibula and tibia. And these are our foot bones, phalanges. So students, now we are going to learn about some facts about human skeleton. Our skull consists of 22 bones. Our ribs consist of 12 pairs of curved bones. Our backbone, our spine, consists of 33 bones. Our femur, our thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone of our body. And the smallest bone is inside your ear called strap. Now, what are the functions of the skeleton? Skeleton, muscles and joints together help us to move and hold things. Skeleton supports our body, gives our body a shape, and protects our internal organs like brain, heart and lungs. So students, now I am going to give you a task. You have to cut out the bones with scissors and paste them on a sheet. And once you create a complete skeleton, you have to label them. So students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.